This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paul Vacco. Lakefront Condo in Avalon with upgrades. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is the largest Avalon floor plan with 1725 under air and 2,387 total square feet. And includes a 2-car garage. The living area showcases wood-look tile, elegant crown molding, and recessed lighting for a modern touch. The kitchen is highlighted with upgraded cabinets, quartz countertops, a unique custom backsplash, under-cabinet lighting, and premium appliances, including a convection oven range. Plantation shutters adorn the windows throughout, adding a touch of sophistication. The 3rd bedroom features tile flooring and recessed lighting. Step onto the expansive lanai that overlooks a tranquil fountain. Your peace of mind is prioritized with impact-resistant windows and doors. The air conditioner system features an enhanced air filtration system, ensuring optimal indoor air quality. The garage door opener comes with a battery backup to mitigate power outage concerns. Avalon has no CDD fees and in a central location, providing easy access to downtown, beaches, and shopping. Don't let this opportunity slip away to own this stunning home. For more information, review the details below or contact Paul Vacco at 239-776-1960.